Hi guys, very good morning guys. Very good morning. Today's actually very excited to be here right now. So because actually I woke up early in the morning around 6 a.m. I went for the washroom and then the take two bath and then I come back at home right now. So because actually I have been thinking for a lot times about the speaking and communication skill improvement and these days because actually I'm so very grateful right now. So because my English is very bad. Actually someone telling me that your my English is very bad, but actually I have determined myself because I will improve myself in my future. This is this you can see me guys because my English is very low, but actually I want to improve myself in my future. Actually I get up early in the morning daily guys, so early in the morning actually after fresh, so I am learn, I am vocabularies, grammar, translation, so everything's actually improve myself. And this is actually I will share, I know that you are learning English and actually improve your English communication in your future, but actually you are telling you don't have any environment to how to start your English, how to speak. Actually I don't have any friends. So that is actually guys, if you want to learn English and improve yourself in future, and you can do it yourself only alone, trust me. Actually when I started my English journey, it was a very horrible life in my life. Actually people's laughing at me actually suddenly, and there that time is very confusion in my future. But actually I have promised myself I will speak, I will improve and everything, because actually uh, I started English newspaper reading and English cartoon news everything, and regular. Actually I had only focus and listening. Actually a lots news and cartoon movie everything. I have the watched movie in English for improve my English journey. It was a very difficult that time because actually this time, so you can see me because actually I want to learn, and gradually I'm feeling full energetic and full build up the full confidence always, because this is main focus guys. Actually build up the full confidence for the speak. The first level is confident. Actually you will the increase your full confidence for speak English in your future. And first of all, don't panic to anyone and don't fight to anyone, because you have a lots option, you have a lots ways for the speak English, but you are not able to speak to anyone. Actually you can fight yourself and you can ask yourself what is the reason why I am not speak English is very well in future. You can ask yourself and you can do it yourself. And you are telling always guys, actually I don't have any environment, I don't have feel shy, I don't have, I have only hesitation, feeling shy, everything else. You don't have any friend, you don't have vocabularies. Suddenly I stuck. When I started my English, suddenly I start stuck. Actually I am not able to understand how to speak English, how to start from zero level. So guys, you can do it always. You want to learn English and you can improve yourself in your future. You can do it yourself without anyone guys, and don't panic. Trust me. Actually my English was a very bad, and that time the one. I started. The people's laughing at me. People asked why you are not, you will not speak in English your future. But actually, I did not listen anyone. I have determined. I have asked myself actually why I am not able to speak English. But actually these times you can see me, and so little bit speak and increased my English the gradually perfect in my future. Actually regular basis guys, actually I get up early in the morning and regular practice on the 15 and 30 minute approximately, trust me. And as a same you can do it. Please remove your mind. I can't do it anything else. You can do it always. You can do it. You can speak English in your future. Please start now. Don't waste time in your future. Yes, time is precious in your future. Actually, trust me, guys, time can't wait to anyone, your future. And don't waste time. The English language, the global language. Anywhere need only English. Interview first, English. Your if you want your English is very well, and you can select the company office and good salary per month, right? Got it? I hope that you can understand my this suggestion, and you should practice every day, because actually my English is not good, but actually I am trying a lot time for speak English in future. Actually I am improving my English. My English is very bad, but even then I'm practicing now. Why? Why are you waste time in your future? Don't waste time, guys. Please start now from today. Right? Got it? And you can only main focus, guys, listening, and second practice. Right? Only two focus only the first, only 2 month. The first listen, and then second practice. Two focus only. Right? Got it? Only 1 month and 2 month approximately. Improve your English soon. Right? Got it? I hope that you can understand and this suggestion. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like and share. Don't forget, this is very crucial for you. We will meet you the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Please comment below how is my video. Please comment below. Right? Okay, got it? Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, guys.